Rating slimes I made with the company Rosevine. Pink Pum Puff, 8 out of 10. Macaroni, 5 out of 10. Grimace. This is actually, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. I'm still working on this one. It's Aqua Ocean. Don't buy it yet. I'm still working on it. Look at my hands. Go check out my company, Rosevine.